Here we will study about real number. So there are two types of real number as rational number and irrational number. What is the identification of rational number and irrational number? So simply before knowing rational number, we discuss about irrational number first as a simple sentence. The number which is not rational is called irrational number. So the number is rational or not is the question we'll have to decide. If that number is rational, then okay. If that rational number is not, then that is irrational number. Okay. So let's first know about rational number. What is rational number? Okay, and how we'll consider that any number is either rational number or not. So there is a simple identification to choose to know that any number is rational or not. First thing is that the number which can be written in the form of numerator by denominator, where denominator is not equal to 0 and numerator and denominator should be co-primes. In symbolically we can write any number which can be written in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0 and p and q are co-primes. In different books, author uses different symbols for the definition of rational number as some authors uses a by b, where b is not equal to 0 and a and b are co-primes. Okay, then it's not a big thing, it's not a very different thing to understand. This is the same thing like that. Now actually we have studied in previous classes about natural number, whole number, integers and fractions. Are those numbers rational number or not? First we have to consider that. If we talk about natural number, as we also call natural number as a counting number, as 1, 2, 3, 4 and etc and so on. ये सभी these are natural numbers. Then 1 can be written as a rational number in the form of rational number. Let's try to know. 1 can be written as 1 by 1. This is a form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0, that is 1 is not equal to 0 and 1 co-primes. I am not talking about prime numbers. I am talking about co-prime numbers. And what is co-prime numbers? Two or more numbers which have only one factor in common as 1, then those numbers are called co-prime numbers. Okay, so there is a difference between prime numbers and co-prime. Okay, co-prime numbers is always in group, should be 2 or more than 2, but will be always in group, like 4 and 9. 4 is not prime number, 9 is also not prime number, but 4 and 9 are co-primes because of between 4 and 9, for 4 and 9 there is no any common factor than 1. That's why 4 and 9 are co-primes. Okay, so if we talk about 2 should be 2 can be written as 2 by 1. Here 2 by 1 is also in form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0, yani ki denominator, that's why it means denominator 1 is not equal to 0 and 2 and 1 are co-primes. So we can say that similarly we can say that all natural numbers are rational number. If we talk about whole number, so what is whole number? Whole number is a group of 0 and 1 2 3, that is the natural number, is the group of 0 and natural number. Already we know that natural number is rational number, but we'll have to decide 0 is rational number or not. It's a very important question. 0 also can be written as 0 by 1, which is in the form of p by q, and q is not equal to 0, 1 is not equal to 0. And here also 1 is only the factor which is common in 0 and 1. Apart from this, there is no any number which is common in 0 and 1. Let's try. 0 can be written as 0 into 1, and 1 can be written as 1 into 1, that is the 1 is 1 common in both the number, one factor is common in both the number. Okay, yeah, of course we can write 0 into 2 is equal to 0 also, but 1 into 2 is equal to will be 2. Okay, that's why there is no common in 2 in both the number 0 and 1. So 0 is also a rational number. If we talk about integers, there are three types of integer, as we know all that. Positive integer, 0, negative integer. Positive integer as 1 2 3, this is also the natural number, and we already know that natural number is rational number. If we talk about 0 also, we already know that 0 is also a rational number. If we talk about negative integer, that is -1, -2, -3, sometimes it is also called a negative natural number. Okay, so -1 can be also written as -1 by 1. This is although also in the form of p by q, and here q is not equal to 0, that is 1 is not equal to 0, right? And -1 and 1 also co-primes. So integers are also we can say that rational number.